Hello, and today I'm at Cubby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you a 1992 Vauxhall Brava. And there's something special about this vehicle, and that is that we actually owned it 16 years ago in this company, and we've just had it back from the man we sold it to. I'll start by showing you the interior. As you can imagine, there's nothing too extremely modern in this vehicle, as it was in 1992. It is a two-wheel drive pickup truck, and it's petrol with a 2.3 litre engine in here, so it's quite nippy. It has a 5-speed manual gearbox, so it's quite powerful for a truck and can easily carry things in the back. It's not got a lot of gadgets, as I mentioned, but it does have bench seats, which means you can carry 2 passengers. You can see she starts straight up. And quite a nice sounding engine, really, for a 1992 vehicle. As you can imagine, for us, it's quite weird for us to have a vehicle back after so long. So we thought we'd review it, even though it's not exactly in the best shape. As for an exterior, it has traditional truck features, like the bulky headlights on the front, and it has a long load bed, which is good for carrying items, as well as a tow bar and a cover to protect whatever it is you're carrying. We hope you like this vehicle, and also appreciate how it's good that we have vehicles back after such a long period of time. You can see the post that we made on our Instagram channel in the link below. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe.